Say what's up to these niggas, young big fella.
I'm already drunk. I'm about to be on tip.
Huh?
I ain't talked to my niggas in a minute. I'm about to be on tip. I'm tipsy.
This nigga was sick too.
I was. Shooter gang. What up, though, y'all?
Hey, they ain't seen us in a minute. Hey, I heard it's been dead as fuck since I've been gone, bro. I've been dead myself.
That's because your fans know who real people is and who not. And they know shooters gonna shoot.
Let me get this Tammy girl out the way once and for all. Who they talking about? Tammy Lynn. We about to see who they talking about.
What's Tammy? She look good?
I reacted to her before. What's the video y'all want me to see of the Tammy girl? It's a girl named... Bro, listen. 2018... Bro, listen. 2017, girls ate off me the most. Because of y'all. I sit on Twitch, I react to videos on Twitch in front of like 7,000 to 10,000 people, right? I'm not the one giving these motherfuckers shout outs on YouTube and posting all these videos about them. Y'all are. 2018, any bitch that get clout from me, she gotta give me the grapefruit or something. I have to get something from her. Y'all niggas are so thirsty, y'all don't even give me a chance to get shit from the bitch. Y'all all in the bitch streams and shit. I ain't even collab with the bitch and y'all showing her, y'all labeling all these random ass girls as queen so. 2018, that gotta stop, my nigga. Y'all Twitch niggas are the ones who are giving all of these girls all of this attention. I don't even know who Tammy Lynn is. Y'all be sending me this shit like, yo, react to her, react. I don't even know who these people be. I don't know. I just do what my fans want me to do. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be like, fuck with this bitch. I'll be like, okay, let's do it. But then motherfuckers be like, oh, SoLLUMINATI, you letting all these girls eat off of you. Nigga, don't be me, it be my fans. These little niggas is thirstier than me. But look, 2018, I'm fucking every bitch that get... If I mention your name, I gotta get some penetration up out of you. You're not eating off... You know how... Bro, do y'all know how many girls ate off of me this year? Think about how many girls ate off of me this year. Because of you.
That's tough. That's tough.
Bro, all the bitches is eating off of me this year. All of them. And it's crazy because...
I'm a little tipsy. They need to start a boxing match.
Just show this. They see it.
The crime.
Why is my green screen camera shit on? Hold on. Can the money show? Money show, but this don't. Oh, it's showing now. A little bit. You see that? Alright. Ashley Ortega. Hold on. Let's see what Ashley talking about.